Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share to you. Bridge is a networking device which is used to connect network segment of large network. I am telling about. Bridge connects smaller network segments to form a larger network. And it also relays frames from one LAN to another. In this video, a network is formed when two or more devices connect to share data or resources. A large network may need to be subdivided for efficient frame delivery or traffic management. Bridges are used to connect these subdivided segments of the network. Discuss over bridge network. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end and subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my videos. Definition of bridge. Bridge is a networking device used to connect the network segments of a large network. Bridge operates at two-level example, physical layer and data link layer. Being a physical layer device, it regenerates the signal it receives. Here, it acts as a repeater. The bridge, being a data link layer device, identifies the source and destination address of the frame it receives. It relays the frames between two separated LANs. On the other hand, the bridge also has the logic of filtering the traffic, separating the traffic of each network segment. Bridges filtering capability. Bridges filtering capability can be explained with an example. You can observe the figure above. A bridge has joined to network segments. Now when station A sends a packet to station F, the packet arrives at the bridge. The bridge identifies that the intended recipient F is in the lower segment of the network. So, the bridge allows the packet to cross into the lower segment, where the packet is received by the station F. When the station A sends a packet to station C, the packet arrives at the bridge. As the station A and C are in the same segment, the bridge blocks the packet from crossing into the lower segment and relays the frame to station C. Types of bridges. We will discuss types of bridges. Simple bridge is the most primitive bridge which links to network segments. It has a single table which contains the address of each station included in both the segment. Multiport bridge. It links more than two network segments. It has the number of tables equal to the number of network segments it connects. Each table contains the addresses of all the station reachable from the corresponding port. Transparent bridge is a bridge whose existence is not known to the stations. If a transparent bridge is added or removed from the system, the stations are not required to be reconfigured again. Conclusion. Bridges were introduced when classic Ethernet was used. So they join fewer networks. Switches are modern bridges and they connect relatively more networks together. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.